Y'all should try Mamey. Yeah man, try this fruit. Very, very nice. Greetings everyone. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so this video is all about fruits, peeling and eating fruits. Alright, you don't know, I have a bowl of water here to wash the fruit. Calabash bowl, and I'm going to load the fruits in this bowl. The one that I can't hold in this, I'm going to just put them to the side. Alright, so I'll load it up now. First, we have Julie mangoes, star apples, Jamaica's meanest fruit. You don't know, say a fruit a day keep the doctor away. So always make sure say you have a fruit in the morning. Yeah man, make it be a part of your breakfast. You know, say I know every time it can happen, but just try to make it happen each and every morning, alright? Yeah. So get the star apples in. And more star apples again. Alright. So star apple them active. Don't know. Mommy. They said this one tastes like a lot of fruits. Mango, June plum, pineapple, you name it. Tastes like a lot of fruits. So this is fruit of many tastes. Wash off my syrup like this. I get down into the syrup now. Nice. Mmm. This is so sweet. Mmm. Star apples, one of Jamaica's meanest fruits. Star apple now one drop off a tree. And sometimes when you pick it, it's so hard to pick. Them bear so far out on the limbs them. Some other times, so that's why we say yo, star apple, mean fruit man. This is breakfast. Alright, so I get down into our next one. Yeah, so I go on the second one now. Nice. This is very ripe. This is a very, very ripe one. Actually, this one is overripe, but still can consume it. Sweet. Sweet and nice. Kind of stain up my mouth though. No star thing already. Stain up your mouth, you know? Right where I'm standing. Well, not exactly right where I'm standing, but close to where I'm standing, there was a star tree right here. So hopefully, I'm sure to see them so I get back a star tree. Hopefully. Yeah man. Just wash off my nose, the same water. Alright, so up next, mango. Alright, so wash this. Julie mango. Gonna be using a fruit peeler. Get all the rings off. First time using a peeler. So this is the first time I'm going to be using a peeler to peel mango. Normally I just use my teeth or a knife, but first time. It's first in everything. Alright. So oops, this mango is a turn mango. This is a turn mango. This is how I like to eat Julie mangoes. Turn. Ready to go now. Alright, so time for check in pan mango, you know. Well peeled. Yeah, man. Julie mango. Mmm. It's so good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Juicy. Mm-hmm. Alright. Show that way. Get rid of them mango skin, you know. And get ready for check in for my mommy. Alright, so time for the last fruit for my list. Mommy. Alright, so wash it off. You know what I mean? Big up to Glenn, the fruit vendor on the corner. Corner there, them call it a damn corner, Port Antonio. That's when you go towards Norwich. Yeah, man. So, big respect to Glenn. You know what I mean? I'm say, DJ, hold that one there. Yeah, man. So, I get down into to the mommy, you know. Man. Alright. I don't know why me I fight to get up still. So, I peel it, you know. Skin is a bit thick. Yeah, so, mommy, skin thick. I don't even know when it is ready. But because it no feel soft, but when Glenn give it to me, him say it good to go. So I don't know. I just peel it and I eat it. Yeah. Just get off the skin. Alright. Get off the skin. Nice and easy. Alright. So finally, don't peel it, you know. Mm-hmm. Ready to go. So I cut it like this. Thick though. Got a knife dull, you know. Knife and dull knife. Try cut it that way. Yeah. That you know. What a behave so. So I don't really know nothing about this still, you know. So dull knife. And the fruit thick too. Alright. So this is it. Just like East Indian mango. If I look a bit. Nice. Mmm. Very nice fruit. Very, very nice. Nice. Remember, a fruit a day keep the doctor away. So, enough respect to each and everyone for watching this video until the very end. Again, it's your girl DJ Dalvi. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, click that bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I'm out.